Turn your smartphone into a master of 360-degree photography with Owlio. Let's dive into making perfect panoramas. Start by marking your center. Place a small object on the ground to guide your phone's rotation, keeping it centered throughout. Keep your phone at eye level. This ensures a clear view of the screen when capturing both overhead and ground-level shots. Keep a comfortable distance from your face. Stabilize your phone with your index finger as the pivot. Rotate using your middle and ring fingers. Tap here to access the gallery. Switch modes between hand-free and Nodal Ninja here. The visor is your viewfinder. Align it with the on-screen dots to trigger the capture. Use the undo button here to retake a photo. Track your progress with the steps indicator. Reset your session with the delete button. Capture a total of 18 photos. 6 horizontally, 6 upward, and 6 downward. There you have it. Explore your new panorama and share your world. Download Owlio today and start capturing your world.